Hi, this is a unique experience of sushi, Japanese traditional cooking arranged for vegan. In this class, you will use vegetables, beans, and fruits to make nigiri sushi and gunkan maki. Both are free from anxiety for vegans to eat. Master healthy sushi, available with ingredients easily found regardless of country or region. Please cook and keep rice warm before the class starts. Firstly, you will make vinegared rice. The next step is to cook toppings. Then, make rice bowl with vinegared rice. Place the toppings on rice bowls and make nigiri sushi. Garnish the toppings on rice bowls, rolled with nori around to make gunkan maki. Now your vegan sushi is ready. Enjoy the sushi you have made. Sushi requires difficult techniques to master on your own. This class is designed for mock chefs. You will learn and make sushi step by step. So you will definitely be able to make great sushi in a short time. For the ingredients and kitchen utensils, please confirm the list. See you in the lesson!